Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're focusing on the teen numbers. These are the numbers between 11 and 20. And we're going to read a book today, and then we're going to do an activity in our Origo Stepping Stones book, or math book. So first let's read this book, and then we'll do our activity. This book is called Help Me Learn Numbers 0 through 20. 0. Not one thing. This box is clearo. How many inside? I count 0. 1. Walking, just for fun. How many rabbits? I count 1. 2. Oink, oink. Who are you? How many piggies? I count 2. You can subitize those. 3. How many fish do I see? I see 1, 2, 3. 4. Take one truck, add 3 more. How many are there? I count 4. 5. Count the cars you'll take for a drive. I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Little busy ducks and chicks. How many are you? We are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. This number loves to rhyme with 11. How many are you? We are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Count the deer. Aren't they great? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 deer. 9. Gingerbread faces all in a line. How many are there? I count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10. 1 poodle, 4 swans, 5 mice. And when you count all the animals, you'll get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. This number loves to rhyme with 7. When you count all the ducklings, you'll get to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. Can you tell me where to shelve Mr. Rooster? Box 12. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 13. Arf, we're cute. Arf, we're clean. We're Dalmatians. We're 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14. Please don't count the tangerine. How many apples in all? 14. Let's see. Don't count the tangerine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 15. Ducks afloat on a tambourine. How many can you count? 15. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. 16. We are monsters. We are mean. How many are we? We're 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 17. Our scary faces can't be seen. How many are we now? 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Almost to 20. 18. Yellow, red, blue, and green. How many people in boats? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19. How many people are in this scene? Can you count up to 19? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 pairs of earrings. That is plenty. When you count all the earrings, you'll get to 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. All right, boys and girls. Thank you for counting with me. Now we're going to open our Stepping Stones book. We're opening to page 143. And we are going to analyze these team numbers, okay? So here's what we do. We go ahead and we actually loop 10 shapes in each one, in each group. So here's a set, 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 and there's a set. That is 10 sets, okay? So let me go ahead and get my pen ready. I'm going to get black. And first we're going to loop 10, and then we're going to count how many more and write the number there, okay? So let's go ahead and do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 there. Loop these 10. Just 10, even though there's a couple more. There's 2 more, okay? So I have 10 in the loop that I've circled, and I have 2 on the outside of that circle, okay? So 10, and how many more? How many more than 10? 2 more, okay? So that, well, let's find out. How many is that total? 10 and 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 and 2 more make 12. So I'm going to actually write 12 right here. 12 is 10 and 2 more, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and do this next one, and then you can do the last 4 on your own. I'm going to loop 10 shapes, and then I'm going to see how many more than 10 there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to get my pen. Oops, that's right. Okay, all right, let me double check. Make sure I only have 10 in that circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 inside there. Now, how many more are there on the outside of the circle? How many more than 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, and I have 5 more here. So I'm going to write 5. Now, I'd like to know how many more that is total. Or how many there are total. So I'm going to count all of them. I'm going to pretend like the circle's not even here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15. I'm going to write 15 right here. Okay? So when I see 15, I know that 15 is 10 and 5 more. That's team numbers. It's 10 and a few more. Okay? So 12 is 10 and 2 more, and 15 is 10 and 5 more. All right, so the other 4, go ahead and do those. Circle 10, however many, where you find 10, circle those, and then count the ones that are on the outside of the circle, and that'll be the more, 10 and however many more. And then write that number down, then count them all, total it up, write that number here, and that way you'll know 10 and this many more makes this number. All right, boys and girls, thank you for working with me on our team numbers, and have a great day.